All right, so when you click on the link that is on your Seesaw assignment, it's going to take you to this page. It is a page in Ducksters.com, which is actually a really cool website that you can use to learn things about social studies and science. It's going to take you to this page right here. You are going to read all of this, and then I'm going to give you some questions to answer. I would read the questions first and then read this, but here's the deal. If you want to hear it read to you, you go down here and you click on this play button and you go back up to the top.
Westward Expansion Pony Express. The Pony Express was a mail delivery service that ran between Missouri and California. Using the Pony...
Okay, so you need to follow along with that, and you can listen to her read it or you can read it yourself. And then you can answer your questions and turn them in.